Lisa Hanna thanks Cuba for its help against COVID-19 virus here in Jamaica. Now, before you go any further, guys, please remember to subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notification bell so you can get an update each time we upload. Now, we're going to jump into the story. Opposition spokesperson of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Lisa Hanna, is expressing gratitude to the government and the people of Cuba who offers to help Jamaica by sending a batch of 21 nurses to assist in the fight against COVID-19 virus here in Jamaica. The nurses, who are expected to arrive on the 24th of March, will work alongside our own professionals throughout Jamaica. Hanna said all first responders working in Jamaica must be commended for their selfless service and must be provided with the necessary resources at this time when their own health is at risk. She says Cuba has always been a friend to Jamaica, standing in solidarity with Jamaican people despite their own challenges wrought by harsh economic sanctions. The footprint in Jamaica outlines history and profound big-heartedness, ready to help in health, education, construction, and a variety of other areas. Cuba has been a loyal and reliable friend, and we must never take this friendship for granted, Lisa Hanna said. She also expressed gratitude to all the healthcare professionals who have been standing in the front line of Jamaica defense against COVID-19. I know this is not an easy time for you and your family, especially if you have children who watch you go to work on behalf of all of us. Please accept my sincere appreciation to you for being our protectors, defenders, and panic pacifiers in this time of great uncertainty. Now, big up to Lisa Hanna for big up all of the healthcare worker them, I want to say a big thank you to each and everybody that is helping, the government, constabulary force, everybody, the nurses, the doctors, and even ourselves who are protecting ourselves. We're sharing on social media. We're keeping ourselves informed. That is very, very important. And yeah, you just need to keep safe, teaching the children them the right way of sanitize and clean, not just for the virus, but going forward in the future. So if something like this comes up again, we will be prepared or already prepared because we were trained before. So big up on yourself. Please remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on your notification bell. You don't know, see the Sauna room where we are keep you updated with everything we're going on in Jamaica, about Jamaica and with Jamaicans. You'll see on the